Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the World of Tanks Blitz error code 3. The error reads, "Error joining the battle. You have already joined the team." As per our research, the error comes when players try to enter a battle. Some users shared that they were disconnected from the game, and after reconnecting, they received this error. Once the error shows up, players are unable to enter any new battles with any of their tanks. According to our research, this issue may occur because of a tournament battle. Once you are registered in a tournament, you might be locked into that battle until it is over. In other cases, the issue might come from a glitch or a temporary problem on the game servers. First, restart your device and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if the game is updated to its latest version. If not, update the game and check again. If you are part of a tournament battle, then you will need to wait until that team or tournament finishes, because during this time, you may not be able to enter other battles. In case you are not in any tournament and the game is updated but the error is still coming, then it's likely an issue with the game servers. We suggest you wait for a while and try again later. You can also check the game's support page, the official Discord server, or Down Detector for any server outage updates. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.